Imagine this. The adrenaline-fueled world of action cameras, where every shaky frame captures a heartbeat of adventure, is on the brink of a seismic shift. DJI, the trailblazers who turn drones into sky-high storytellers and gimbals into effortless magic, are whispering about unleashing a beast that could finally topple the GoPro throne. Picture the DJI Osmo Action 6. Not just another gadget, but a pocket-sized powerhouse ready to transform your wildest escapades into Hollywood-worthy epics. And with the freshest leaks painting a picture of pure innovation, this isn't a tweak. It's a tidal wave crashing over the industry. Whether you're glued to your GoPro like it's family, or you've been eyeing DJI's quiet conquest of creative gear, buckle up. This could rewrite your entire kit. What's your go-to-action cam right now? And would a game changer like this tempt you to switch? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every one. Let's dive into the whispers and blueprints that have us all buzzing, unraveling the leaks on specs, timelines, and tech that position the Osmo Action 6 as the ultimate rival to GoPro's crown. 1. The electric hum around the Osmo Action 6. 4 months now, the tech underground has been alive with sparks. Insiders spilling secrets, leakers dropping breadcrumbs, and even DJI's inner circle letting slip that prototypes are grinding through rigorous trials. The common thread in every hushed conversation? DJI is pulling out all the stops, no half measures here. Glimpses of prototype packaging and confidential test logs paint a clear story. This isn't a quick polish on the Action 5 Pro. They're tearing it down to the studs, reimagining everything from the core sensor to the shell, the brains to the way it dances in your grip. If these hints hold water, we're staring at a device that stretches the boundaries of tiny tech into epic territory. 2. The pulsing core, a bolder, brighter sensor. Right at the epicenter of these revelations sits a game-altering twist: the sensor itself. Word from reliable corners has it that the DJI Osmo Action 6 will pack a stunning 1-inch CMOS powerhouse. That's not just an increment. It's a quantum jump from the Action 5 Pro's already solid 1/1.3-inch setup. In the palm of your hand, this means stepping into genuine film-like visuals where raw action meets artistry. Larger sensors devour light like a black hole, spilling out richer hues, razor-sharp edges, and low-light wizardry that turns twilight trails or midnight urban pulses into poetry on screen. Envision cresting a foggy mountain ridge at dawn or weaving through glowing alleyways after dark. Every nuance alive. No muddled darks, no grainy haze, no washed-out glows. This goes beyond sharp. It's about evoking emotion, flipping casual clips into scenes that linger. 3. Stepping into the 8K dawn. Buckle in, because this is where DJI could etch their name in the annals of adventure tech. The grapevine's alive with talk of native 8K capture on the Osmo Action 6. Yes, that crystal-clear frontier while GoPro lingers in 5.3K waters. Sure, you might chuckle, 8K? My screen's barely 1080p. But here's the magic. It's not about hoarding pixels. It's handing creators the keys to boundless reinvention. Shoot in 8K, then slice, zoom, steady, and polish in post, emerging with buttery 4K that defies compromise. It's liberation for the storyteller in you. Snag one sweeping vista and later carve out tight portraits, dramatic pans, or social-ready verticals, all from that single, unblinking eye. DJI gets it. This isn't a spec sheet flex. It's reshaping how YouTubers, indie directors, and daily vloggers craft their narratives. For a sharper mind, the revamped imaging heart. Handling 8K glory demands a brain that doesn't flinch. And that's where the Osmo Action SIXS rumored fresh processor steals the show. Tailor-made for on-the-fly HDR mastery, AI-driven smoothing, and color pops that sing, this chip promises footage that's festival-ready fresh from the mount. Skip the LUD hunts and endless grading marathons. Hit record, and it's already laced with that pro sheen. Buzz has it this AI wizard scans each frame on the fly, tweaking light, taming contrast, and banishing blur in the moment. Your downhill dash through dust clouds or submerged drift among corals. It'll emerge fluid, alive, and electric. No post-production heroics required. 5. Smoothness redefined. Rocksteady's next evolution. Stabilization. DJI's secret sauce that's kept us hooked through every jolt. Enter Rocksteady 5.0, whispered to be supercharged with AI smarts for horizon lock that's borderline psychic. Twist a rig midair during a wingsuit glide, carve waves on your board or bomb powder runs, and the horizon stays glued like it's painted on. No gimbal bulk, yet your reel flows like a Steadicam dream. This isn't flair for flair's sake. It's the quiet confidence that lets you chase chaos, knowing every tremor melts away. Drawing from their drone dynasty, DJI's motion mastery here could make shaky cam a relic of the past. 6. Lens wizardry, modular marvels that unlock imagination. But wait, the plot thickens with a dash of lens sorcery. Leaks tease a clever modular lineup. Snap-on wonders like a macro marvel for intimate worlds, and hold onto your helmet, an anamorphic ally. That macro could freeze dewdrops trembling on leaves, tiny critters in macro magic, or rugged barks in hyperreal detail that pulls you in. The anamorphic twist, though, that's the cinematic siren call. Those signature lens flares, stretched widescreen vistas, and that buttery filmic sweep, all from your fist-size hero. Ditch the clunky setups and software slights. It's instant movie magic GoPros never dare to dream. 7. A sculpted evolution, leaner, tougher, chillier. On the form front, the Osmo Action 6 isn't settling for a mere makeover. It's evolving with intent. Renderings from a leak vault show a sleeker silhouette, a touch taller for poise, wrapped in grippier textures that feel forged for the fray. And the crown jewel? They apparently slain the heat dragon that's haunted prior runs. A clever internal airflow rethink promises steady temps through marathon 4K or 8K sprints. No thermal tantrums cutting your flow. For globe-trotting tail spinners or edge-pushing athletes, this means unbroken sagas, from dawn patrols to dust descents. 8. Screens that shine, vivid, swift, intuitive. Rounding out the visual upgrades, the twin-display duo is set for a glow-up that'll dazzle. Front and back panels rumored to blaze brighter, refreshed silkier, with the forward face going full touch responsive. Swap scenes, dial exposures, or fire-up rolls without a single flip, pure vlogger velocity. It's that seamless rhythm GoPro fans have clamored for, turning setup into instinct and keeping you locked in the moment. 9. Endurance unleashed, batteries that outlast the adventure. Creators, we all chase that one eternal truth. More runtime, please. DJI's tuning in, with Intel pointing to a whopping 3 hours of steady 4K flow. In this compact class, that a marathon milestone, fueled by denser cells and thermal savvy. They'll carry over that Arctic-proof edge too, thriving in sub-zero blasts for those icy crevasse crawls or frosted forest forays. And the cherry? Magnetic quick-swap charging, docket, done, port sealed against the elements. It's that drone-inspired ease bleeding into action territory, pure genius. 10. The magnetic realm, accessories reimagined. Now, here's the spark that could ignite a whole new era for the Osmo Action 6. DJI is brewing a contact ecosystem. Think magnetic mounts that click with effortless precision, turning swaps into seconds. Test mules are already in creator clutches, so a sneak peek or grand unveiling feels tantalizingly close. Pricing whispers hover at $449 to $499, a nudge above the Action 5 Pro, yet a steal next to GoPro's top tier. Stack that against the rumored firepower, and it's poised to rattle cages across the board. 13. DJI's Grand Tapestry, weaving a cinematic web. But zoom out, and DJI is not just gunning for GoPro anymore. They're architecting an empire. A seamless symphony where your aerial ace, steadying arm, and dash cam converse in perfect harmony, handing creators a toolkit for boundless tales. This transcends gear sales. It's democratizing directorial dreams, pocket portable. Each Osmo drop edge is closer to pro filmmaking finesse, and the Action 6 might just tie the bow on that masterpiece. 14. Software sorcery, the reborn DJI Mimo app. Behind the lens, the DJI Mimo app slated for a total rebirth. Snappy navigation, blistering Wi-Fi 6 zips, auto-scene whispers, and AI-forged edit blueprints. Wrap a session, and boom, your feed blooms into a polished short, fades, tracks, and tones all auto-tuned. It's DJI's blueprint for creation without the grind, AI as your silent co-director. 15. Depths conquered. underwater prowess, and gear glow-ups. Beneath the waves, they're dialing up the drama too. Redesigned dive suits could plunge to 25 meters case-free, paired with water-repelling glass for fog-free, refraction-free realms of blue. Add-ons level up with a hybrid handle pod for steady shots, a powered grip for all-day power, and a buoyant beacon that triggers from afar. Each tweak stretches the Osmo's reach, from reef whispers to rooftop rages. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.